Hey everyone, it's Lisa from DAnaugustnails and welcome back to my channel. We should get started with the gel polish nail art. So I have prepped my tips and now I'm going in with 1144 from Model 1s and I love this color. Definitely one you gotta build up, okay? You have seen me use this in my AliExpress Opry dupe set. I just think that this is a really good nude for like to fake like the natural bed if you're nail bed, if you're trying to do like the Opry or if you're trying to do like press-ons. This is a really good one. And I cure for 60 seconds in between layers. And here is what the second layer is looking like. Like, come on now. This is a good one. So these like tips aren't really tips. They're like gel polish swatch thingies that you put in swatch books. But hey, I'm doing what I want to do with them. So now I'm going in with, and this is Missy Gel Polish series. This is Calendula. Now Calendula comes in 6 colors and this is color number 4. Now I have color number 4 and all the other colors in a concentrated amount, and then I have it like a more like opaque consistency in terms of like pigmentation, I guess. And then I have it like a bit more milky, like watered down with top coat, because the very first layer of this, I just want it to be like super like see-through. I want you to be able to see where the brush strokes landed. Like that's what I'm going for. So yeah, I'm doing basically about half of the pumpkin, and then I cure for a full 60 seconds, which was dumb because it was that thin that you could have flash cured for like 5 and been able to move on. Anyway, this is Calendula number 1, again Missy Gel Polish series, and I've done the same thing. I've left like a more pigmented amount of the color and I've watered it down another portion of it with top coat. And I'm just continuing to draw pumpkins. And after this one, I will use Missy Gel Polish series yellow in number 5. So you guys can watch that. Okay, so next up, I'm using the more pigmented portion to add in a bit of shading. So this is just me creating the lines and curves of the pumpkin. These are like naturally, there, and you can see them and you can feel the pumpkin. You can know it's textured. I'm adding dimension here, just going in and out with the different levels of pigment. And I think even after this, I do add a bit of brown into each color to make it even darker and give it more dimension, and just continue to shade. These little details are super important, and I'm doing all this with just the one brush. And yeah, you guys can sort of watch that. How are you guys doing, by the way? Let me know in the comments if you're excited for all the fall sets. You know what, I'm gonna get a few of the routine ones out of the way, the pumpkins, the leaves, all of that stuff, but I'm gonna try to add a Lisa flair to it, because I hate trends, so I'm gonna do me version of a trend. Maybe start my own trend. I don't know. My husband just opened the door. He has a habit of ruining my YouTube videos. What is it that you want? He just looked me in the eye and attempted to close. Oh my gosh, he's horrible. They're all horrible. They're all my entire family. I'm just gonna get rid of them, and I'm gonna move in with one of my YouTube friends. That's what I'm gonna do. So anyway, yeah, let's continue to watch me do random strokes with brushes. Okay, so this made no sense. So I'm just dipping my brush into top coat and then dipping it into the glitter. Again, same brush, but it's like you can even see this orange glitter even though it's so beautiful. You know what glitters you can actually see? The sort of like burnt orange and the yellow, because they were actually holographic. Or was it like unicorn? Anyway, they did this sort of like fluorescent thing, and those were the only ones that you could actually see. But hey, this was one of those things where I was just winging it, and I was like, because I'm about to go do a lot of nail art, and I haven't done a lot of like really like sophisticated nail art, and I figured I couldn't just jump right into that right now. I needed to sort of ease myself in. So here's the pumpkins, and I was just making it up as I go. So now I'm going in with Mocha series number 3. also from Missy, and this is a beautiful brown. Look at how nice that is. And just one little stroke. Look at the rest. Same brush. Yeah, one brush. So here I'm using, this is Saving Grace by bornpretty. For some reason, this thing cures, I don't even know. I guess it's my desk lamp that's making this thing cure. It's very annoying. But I'm just using my detail brush from Beauty Galleria to create those sort of swirly swirls. These always, I always mess these up. I think it's my detail brush. Like, I mean, I don't want to blame it on the tools, but it's low-key the tools. Yeah. But I do create the little swirly swirls. Again, winging it, trying to figure this out as I go. And you know what? I even had to ask the husband toward the end. I was like, can you tell what the hell these are? And he was like, no. I was like, do you think I should post it? And he was like, no. And I was like, I'm going to post it. So I'm using the same brush, and I'm going into a less pigmented part of mix of Saving Grace, and I'm going in for lightly colored leaves and dark color leaves. Now I was going to leave it like this, but then I was like, wait, the dimension, what if the dark color leaves were overlapping the faintly colored ones? And then I did it. So it was really about just pressing the brush into the tip and then lifting it off ever so gently to create these like little whisked away leaves. Yes. So now I'm top coating. Now see, here's how it would look like with clear, but I kept them all matte. Now we painted 3 nails, didn't we? We did. I didn't know what the hell to do with the last one. So rhinestones, am I right? They make everything look good. These are some hot fix ones I picked up from AliExpress and no, actually Amazon. And then I added some caviar beads in from AliExpress. And I mean, it's just a random thing. Listen, I don't do a lot with rhinestones. I'm gonna get better. You're gonna see that over the Halloween. But yeah, there's quite a bit of rhinestone gel there. I do fan it out with my brush, and then I do a full matte top coat. And top coat time and, you know, rhinestone time means the end of the video. So please like, share, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already. If you've enjoyed this moment of me just figuring my life out, thank you. Please let that reflect in the liking and the commenting. Follow me on social media. Look forward to the product list below. Maybe there's one, maybe there isn't. I have enjoyed this process of figuring out who the hell I am as a nail artist with you guys. Here is a picture video of the finished product. Let me know if it would be okay for me to start doing some more gel polish nail art, because it's been a while. I love you guys for watching, and I promise to see you in the next one. Bye!